So just carrying on from our last video, this is the NEFF 45cm tool integrated dishwasher. It's designed to go in a run with a combi or a steam oven to the side of it, and perhaps another hot air oven or steamer on the other side of it. You can put a warming drawer of 14cm underneath it, which would make it single oven height. Inside, it's got decent space in there, perfect for an office perhaps, or a small studio type workspace or small studio apartment. Fantastic programs on it: 70° wash, 45, 50, 40° and 45 rapid, time delay, and even a hygiene program for bottles. This is a graded item. It's normally £652. We've got this up at £519. It's got some very small scuff, so you can catch a light pin dent there on the bottom. We're going to list it on eBay, so try and pick yourself up a bargain.